Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with JJ. Today we're making banana fritters. So let's start off with 4 bananas and just using a fork, create a rough mash. And so this is the consistency you're looking for because you want to have some chunks of banana in that fritters. Add a tablespoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of nutmeg, a teaspoon of salt, quarter cup of brown sugar, and just mix. To that, add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, and combine. So it's really a folding motion for this. Don't mix it out too much. Once it's fully combined, add 1/2 cup of milk, or you can choose water. Mix until combined, and this is the consistency you're looking for. Now you see all those chunks of banana? It's gonna be so delicious. Fry, shallow fry on medium heat. Don't rush the process. Remember it has sugar, so it will brown really quickly if you fry on a high flame. So you have to fry it at a low flame so it cooks through and brown perfectly. This is really nice. Go ahead and enjoy.